Tara, kain tayo sa Kabalet. Kung hanap mo ay Filipino buffet na sulit, ito na yon. 528 lang per person. Sulit, di ba? Kids 4 feet and below, 50% off. Below 3 feet, libre. Yes, free. May halo-halo, watermelon, pineapple, chocolate syrup, marshmallows, bilo-bilo, minatamis na saging, clubhouse sandwiches, gulaman, biko, palitaw, dessert pa lang, busog ka na. Main dish alert! Pork sisig, lechon chop, crispy, savory, at laglag jetta levels. Meron ding tofu sisig, team ulam, ito na ang laban. Feeling cozy. Meron din silang mami noodles with egg, fried garlic, and spring onions. Kanin at ulam galore, beringhe, dinnerada rice, vegetarian laing, ginasang ampalaya, chicken afritada, ginataang kuhol, paksiw na tiyan ng bangus, pansit gisado, dinuguan, kare-kare, at bagoong alamang. Okay na kalabasa, toko at baboy, iba pang pang-side like crispy kangkong, at lumpiang hubad. Tita levels activated. Medyo healthy, medyo grilled tofu inasal, burong hipon, steamed gulay, toyong pangsawsawan, inihaw na tilapia. May mga pang fitness goals din naman kahit papano. Meat at pang salad, may prichon, veggies, macaroni salad, pipino. With your choice of sauces, piliin ang sausawan na para sa'yo. Thirsty? Meron silang iced tea, melon, 4 seasons, water, coffee, at yes, may ice din sila. Unlimited inumin para sa unlimited chikahan. Saan ka pa? Families are here, bonding, celebrating, or just tamang kain lang. Kahit ordinary day, pwede maging special. So kung nag-iisip ka pa saan kakain at feel mo tong mga food kanina, pasyal ka na sa Kabalet. Like and follow my page for more videos, and thank you for watching!